There's so much to love about this property. The grand entrance through the gates, the rolling lawns with mature trees, the approach to a beautiful home designed by Edward Dushin, one of the most renowned architects in the Hudson Valley who designed mid-century modern homes. Hello, I'm Patrick Lilly, and welcome to 552 Grand Avenue in the estate section of Balmville. Entering the house, we go through a zen-like courtyard that features a very mature Japanese maple tree. Views are apparent as soon as you enter the home. The living room is almost chapel-like in its dimensions, which really makes for an interesting space. The dining room has the same chapel shape as the living room, incredible built-ins and a lovely light fixture. And then you can proceed to the family room or den, which is somewhat open to the dining room, but also allows for a great deal of coziness, and there is a fireplace. The kitchen is spot on if you like to cook. The owner's suite is really quite impressive, with high ceilings, incredible storage, great views, and one of the most amazing dressing rooms you'll ever see in terms of views and architecture. The bathroom is quite unique in its layout and the addition of a smart toilet. The house has an open floor plan, but it also creates spaces where you can have privacy when you want it. Primarily facing east, the house affords amazing sunrises, and every time it rains, you usually get a great rainbow. Truly, the property is magical. And the piece de resistance and the reason to buy this home is the amazing views of the Hudson River and the Beacon Newburgh Bridge high atop a hill. Balmville is just north of Newburgh, and we're only 12 minutes from the Beacon train station, so it's an easy commute into the city. So if what you're looking for is a great neighborhood with beautiful homes, stunning architecture, killer views, and overall beauty, this may just be the home for you.